Hello and welcome to this first lecture of this new course, Revenue Cycle Management, and first lecture of the overview. So, in this section of overview, we will help you get an overview of the Revenue Cycle Management, RCM for short. And in this particular lecture, we will talk about what is this Revenue Cycle Management, right? Right. So, what do you think is Revenue Cycle Management? Any thoughts? See, the revenue cycle management is a process that healthcare companies, organizations use to track and manage the financial aspects of the patient care, financial aspects, not the medical aspects. From the time a patient make an appointment until the time when the final payment is collected. So this is the whole revenue cycle management. Now, what does it involve? Now, this involves coordination of the administrative part and the clinical functions, which contribute to the capture, management, and collection of the patient's service revenue. So it's a process of, from the time the patient makes an appointment to you collect your payment as in a healthcare organization in collecting the revenue for all the services that you have delivered to the customer. Now, what does it involve? It starts with verifying the insurance coverage and the patient information for to ensure that there is current billing details are captured. So starts with scheduling the patient and registering, including the verification of the insurance coverage and patient information so that you have the right billing details. Then the third part of this process is to charge capture, in which you record all the services provided to the patient for billing services. So you deliver services and you record all these services for the billing purposes. Then you send the claim to insurance providers to seek reimbursement for the services delivered. In most of the claims, very few people do not have insurance. So 99.x% are where you have to send as a healthcare organization your claims to insurance provider. Then you review the payments received from the insurers and determine how much was reimbursed and then make necessary adjustments. Not all of your claim will get reimbursed. So you determine what is that delta that hasn't got reimbursed and then you see what to do about that. Then there is a certain delta that has not been addressed. So that is called denial. So then you need to address the claims there they were denied or rejected by the insurance fully or partly, and you figure out the reasons and then you resubmit them with the corrections. So that's denial management. Then the billing, then you do patient billing and collections. You bill the patients for their portion of the costs which haven't been paid by the insurers. Now, this could include what is called co-pays, where the patient pays a part of the insurance covered. There could be deductibles that are not allowed in the by the insurance company, or there could be any remaining balances. So that gets billed and that gets collected. Then you generate reports to analyze the efficiency of your revenue cycle, identify areas of improvement. Now, the effective RCM helps ensure that the healthcare provider gets paid for their services quickly and accurately, minimize the revenue leakages that happen, and improve the organization's overall financial health. So, having defined for all of both of us what is revenue cycle management, what we will do in the next lecture is we will look at what does an excellence in revenue cycle management looks like. So, thank you so much for watching this first video in this section on overview. I hope you're beginning to enjoy, beginning to learn. And if you have any questions, do message me out anywhere and I'll be happy to answer your questions. And if do download the PDF file to take a look at anything that you need to.